Alright, let's start by chopping some onions to make a next level seasoning. Each large onion gives about 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Depending on your needs, you can chop and dry the onions, or, like me, add heat and salt before drying. The butter gives it an incredible depth of flavor. Now into the air fryer. Depending upon how you want to use it, you can dehydrate at 90 degrees Celsius, 194 Fahrenheit, for 6 to 7 hours to keep the color light, perfect for soups, sauces, or anything where you don't want a color change. Or if you need a darker color like I do for sauces, set it to bake at 120 degrees Celsius, 248 Fahrenheit, for 1 hour and 30 minutes. But make sure you check it so it doesn't burn. Once dried, blend it in pulses until it turns into a fine powder, and it's ready. Use it in soups, sauces, or even in rice. I personally use it to make a special sauce, which you can check out in the link. It goes perfectly with chicken. Let me know in the comments how you used it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.